a mounted phone. Tracking Mastodon close to the ground. Cleanest low angle footage around. One-handed drive, phone on the mount. Every single detail is what we count. Wonderwheelz hack, custom engineered. Now the solo filming problems disappeared. No camera guy, man, we built our own transmitter rig with a mounted phone. Tracking Mastodon close to the ground. Cleanest low angle footage around. One-handed drive, phone on the mount. Every single detail is what we count. Wonderwheelz hack, custom engineered. Now the solo filming problems disappeared.